Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to install Python in your system. There are many ways you can download Python and install in your system. One way is by visiting its Python website. You can download from here as you are seeing here, and the other one is by using Anaconda Navigator, which is very complex one. It takes more space, more resources. So I recommend you to download Python using this website. So let's start the process. Go to downloads, and you can see download for Windows option here, and you can see two versions to Python 3.6, Python 2.7. Click on Python 2.7 because it is very feasible for the beginners. You can easily work on this. So when you click on this, you can see the Python 2.7 setup file is installed. So it is installed in your download files, and you can see setup file installed in your downloads. Right. After seeing this, simply double click on this and click on run, and simply click on next. Right. So this is where your Python uh, is installing. If you want, you can change the drive like D drive, E drive, depending on the space you have. So I already saved this file in my drive. So you people simply continue with this by simply clicking on next, 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 and depending on your system speed, it will finish in 5 minutes. So after the installation wizard is complete, okay, don't follow this because I already have. So uh, click on this one. So after installation wizard is finished, you will see a Python is installed in your system. So I have installed it in my C drive. So I will go to C drive. So you will see a folder with Python 27. So wherever you install, you will see the same file. So go to open this folder, and you can see the scripts and everything. So by default you have these 5 folders, uh, and these are the files which I have created. Don't worry about this. So you see this one. After installing this successfully, go to scripts and copy this URL for the scripts, and go to command prompt. So before going to command prompt, change the environment variables. So go to my computer advanced system settings, and select environment variables, and in system variables part, select path, and enter the URL you have copied here. So I have already copied here, see Python 27 scripts. Simply click on OK. Make sure that you are copying that URL at the end of the variable value. So after copying this, simply click on OK. OK, close this one. Now go to command prompt and just move to the drive where you have installed your Python. I have installed it in C drive, so I'm moving to C drive, and I have installed it in Python 27 folder. So I am moving to Python 27 folder, sorry, Python 27. So right now I am in Python 27 folder. To check whether the Python is installed in your system or not, simply type Python and press enter. If you see this prompt, that means you have successfully installed Python in your system. Then you can perform, this is called a Python prompt, where you can perform simple operations like, sorry, that is not right. 4 plus 5, like this. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you can use this space as a calculator, which is called as a Python prompt. But in order to execute a Python file, we have to come out of this by simply typing exit. So now we came out of this. In order to execute, in order to write and execute Python program, first we have to choose an editor for writing a Python program. Here you have a choice of using Python GUI, which I don't recommend for writing programs. Instead of using Python GUI, I recommend to download this Notepad++ editor, where you can write the Python files and execute it. So you can download this Python editor from its website. Simply go to Google and type Notepad++. You will be shown with this website. Simply click on this and choose the latest one, whichever you want. So this is the latest one, I think. Simply click on this and install the Python Notepad++ into your system. So once it is installed, you can use this editor for writing Python program. So simply go to new and first save this file. It is better to save the file where you have um, installed your Python. So I have installed my Python in C, Python, right. So I will name my Python file as one dot, okay, let it write first. I already have first dot py. So you can write whatever file name you want, but you have to end your file name with .py extension, which is Python extension, and make sure that the file type B is Python. You can choose the Python file extension here. So you have to end your file name with .py, and you have to save your file as python.py. Simply click on this and you can choose from the list here. You can see Notepad++ has many programming files extension here. So that's why I recommend you to install Notepad++ so that you can write any program in Notepad++. So I have uh, simply saved this file. Simply click on save. So now my file is saved. You can see here first one.py. Now I will write some simple calculations like print Ratna Shekhar. So this will simply display my name. You can write, you can initialize anything, 5, and C is equals to A plus B, sorry, A plus B, and print C. So no need of declaring these variables explicitly, that like int A is equals to 10, int B is equals to 5. You can directly write it based on the value you give on the right side. The data type of this variable will be decided. So in this case we are doing two things, simply printing one statement and performing simple calculations on this. So no semicolons, nothing. You can write roughly. So that is why it is very simple. So we have saved this file. Let's see how to execute it. So go to the folder where you have saved your file. I have saved it in Python 27 folder in my C drive. So after that, type Python space the file name first first 12.py. So you can see the output here, Ratna Shekhar, and the A plus B value 15. So this is the process of writing and executing your file. So by this in this tutorial you have seen how to install Python, how to set the Python path, and how to write a program using Notepad++ editor, and after that how to execute it in command prompt. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.